They look dead in this heat.
Sorry?
Sorry. They look dead. When the sun goes down, they'll come out and give off a beautiful scent.
Where did you put my lanterns?
Up above your head, huh? Yeah. Tobacco plant. Oh, don't do that. Tobacco plant. What happened to smelly vision? Remember that? There's going to be television with smells. I mean, if you could capture the smell of that on the video. Are you going to speak? Look, it's still there. How long's that now? I've been filming it for nearly 4 minutes. And it was there way before I started filming. You've had enough, haven't you? I want it to go away so I can stop filming. It's not going to, is it?